Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is US Army tests BRAKER drone delivered bunker busting warhead in rapid development breakthrough at Redstone Arsenal. The US Army has successfully tested a new air-delivered bunker busting warhead designed for unmanned aerial systems. The system, known as the Bunker Rupture and Kinetic Explosive Round, or BRAKER, was demonstrated during a live-fire test at Redstone Arsenal in Alabama on March 26. The test followed a rapid development process completed within weeks of the initial design. The effort reflects the Army's focus on accelerating innovation to address evolving battlefield requirements. The BRAKER project was led by teams from the U.S. Army Combat Capabilities Development Command Armaments Center and Project Manager Close Combat Systems. The program operates under the Capability Program Executive Office for Ammunition and Energetics. The objective was to develop a lightweight and lethal warhead deployable from small unmanned aircraft systems. The system is intended to provide enhanced strike capability using low-cost and expendable drone platforms. Colonel Vincent Morris said, "Our Picatinny team went from concept to live fire in 2 weeks." He added, "BRAKER proves our ability to rapidly develop and safely deliver devastating effects from small unmanned aircraft systems, SUAS. He said the Army is now working to expand integration capabilities. "We are now creating the architecture with Picatinny Common Lethality Integration Kit, CLIK, and the Small Universal Payload Interface, SUPI, for industry to scale this critical warfighter advantage," he said. The CLIK system enables safe integration of lethal payloads with unmanned platforms. It was developed by engineers at the Armaments Center to support scalable deployment. The accelerated timeline was supported by the use of additive manufacturing technologies. Engineers began design and production in early March, including explosive pressing, housing manufacture, and system integration. Following initial development, compatibility and transfer tests were conducted at Picatinny. Around a dozen warheads were assembled, with one tested against a bunker target at a local range. After validation, the prototypes were transferred to Redstone Arsenal for demonstration to Army leadership. The successful detonation confirmed the system's effectiveness against designated targets. Anthony Sebasto, Executive Director of the Munitions Engineering and Technology Center, said, "Rapid demonstrations of overwhelming lethality such as BRAKER are attributed to years of continued technology investments and the organic core technical competences and facilities resident at the DEVCOM Armaments Center." The Army said the demonstration highlights its ability to quickly design, manufacture, and integrate new capabilities. The BRAKER system represents a new option for delivering precision effects using small drone platforms. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.